Features with you need may be in Xbeauty Ice Maker Countertop, Ice Maker Machine with Handel 26Lbs/24-hour. Before you decide to order, we will introduce the features and brief details, including: equipped with an R600, a high-quality compressor, Ice Maker Machine works quickly, produce about 9 ice cubes in 6 to 13 minutes and 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours. Which can meet the demand of ice for your whole family or gathering parties. Small ice maker, size, 8.72 x 11.57 x 11.42 inch, the size is very portable. This ice maker has a handle that can be easily carried anywhere you want. With ice basket and ice spoon, it is easy to store ice. Suitable for living room, bedroom, kitchen, office, party. Easy to operate, any operation can be solved in the control panel. 1 to 24 hour timing, ice full reminder, water shortage reminder, self-cleaning. The visible window allows you to monitor the ice making process at any time without opening. The mini ice maker equipped with the self-cleaning function. You only need to add water to the tank and long press the ice/clean button for 5 seconds to start auto clean. Reduce the hassle of cleaning your ice machine. The ice machine is equipped with a new generation of high-efficiency compressor, low noise, and fast ice making. The air cooling system helps the ice machine to cool down quickly and prolongs the service life of the machine. If you hesitate or have questions, we recommend that you click the link in the YouTube details, to see all the detail before actually ordering. And of course, we are affiliated with Amazon.com. You can get early reviews of products with little or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter purchasing decisions. If you think our channel is useful for you, you can subscribe and press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.